Burrs are a common yet challenging issue in manufacturing. Although small, burrs can affect product assembly, sealing performance, appearance, and even service life. Today, we'll compare two common deburring methods, mechanical deburring and cryogenic deburring, to see where each process performs best and which applications they are most suitable for. Mechanical deburring is one of the most common deburring methods in manufacturing. It removes burrs through direct contact using grinding wheels, abrasive belts, or brushes, making it ideal for steel, aluminum, stainless steel, and other metal parts. Equipment investment typically ranges from $7 to $42, zero, with operating costs of around $5 to $11 per hour. A typical setup requires 3 to 4 operators to support production. Because it is a contact process, it has limitations when removing burrs from deep holes, cross holes, and complex internal cavities. Cryogenic deburring uses ultra-low temperatures to make burrs brittle before removing them with high-speed media without damaging the main part. The process involves almost no direct friction, helping preserve the part's dimensional accuracy and surface finish. It is especially suitable for engineering plastics, rubber, and selected die-cast components. Equipment investment typically ranges from $28, zero, to $110, zero. Operating costs, mainly for liquid nitrogen and electricity, average around $7 to $17 per hour. A single machine typically requires only one operator while replacing 6 to 8 manual deburring workers, making it ideal for high-volume automated production. So, which process should you choose if you're producing metal parts with relatively large burrs and simple geometries? Mechanical deburring is often the most cost-effective solution. If your products are precision plastic components requiring excellent surface quality, tight tolerances, and burr removal from complex features, cryogenic deburring is usually the better choice. The best deburring method depends on your material, part geometry, quality requirements, and production volume. Thanks for watching. Follow HLC for more manufacturing solutions.